It is not evening. It's 10:32 in the morning. My dad called me, told us to stop mowing. It was me and Dexter, because my dad's meeting up with somebody, but told me and Dexter to quit mowing because the rain's coming in really bad. We didn't get all done with this, but we did get a good start on it. So we're just going to the shop right now. So yeah, this is gonna be good for next week. I'm pretty sure we're gonna be full bore. So it'll be awesome. And this is no eclipse or nothing. This is just a really bad storm coming in at 10:33 in the morning. So wind's picking up too. This Jeep did great. It's doing great. I had to take it about almost 30 minutes away because I left my keys at a restaurant. But thankfully, somebody dropped them off at the front desk. So I'm glad of that. Don't die on me, Jeep. Severe thunderstorm on my phone warning. I bet you it's a warning and not a watch. This is looking awful. And it's actually darker in person than what my phone shows. There's Dexter. He's getting it, man. Luckily, I got my keys. I wasn't going to bring them, but I'm glad I did. Yeah, that's not dark quite yet, but it will be. It's definitely going to be. Tracks. Oh yeah, I forgot I left my 420 in that spot. I'm not going to move it, but let's see. We used it yesterday to move Mark 8 point. I think it comes in really handy. Oh yeah, I never told you guys about the new vehicle, so I just I gave you guys an idea. After I said Mark 8 parts. Oh, there he is. Oh, the shop's already open. So the tree crew back too. I'm just gonna pull right here on the road.